Now that we've taken the initial steps to prepare our data, we'll create a new empty SpatialLite database in which we can import our datasets. So I have QGIS Desktop open with the Lab 2 project loaded. I've got all 8 vector datasets that are all now clipped to the forest boundary and all in the same spatial reference, save the streams and the lakes, which are still as KML files, so they're in geographic. But we can change the coordinate reference system for those 2 KML layers on the way into the SpatialLite database. So I'm going to switch to the browser tab down here. If you don't have your browser tab available, you can right click up in the title bar past the help menu and simply select browser to enable that. So select the browser tab, which shows me my file system. In addition to the hard drives on the computer, we have database connections below. I will right click on the SpatialLite database connection and choose create database. From here I just need to give the database a name. I'm going to call it Gifford Pinchot after the name of the forest. So the SQLite database will be called giffordpinchot.sqlite. I'll click Save. The database has been created, and now I can see my database here. I can expand it, but there's nothing in it yet. It's just an empty database. From here I can go to the Database menu, open up the Database Manager. I can expand SpatialLite, and I'll see my database, and I can expand it, and I'll see several tables in there. These are all tables that come with the database that allow it to store spatial data, but there are no layers in here yet. In the next task, we'll import all of our data into the database.